If you want to change the fonts in your Mailchimp emails, this guide will walk you through it step by step in just a few minutes. Whether you're updating the look of your newsletter, matching your brand style, or simply making your email easier to read, changing fonts in Mailchimp is a quick way to make your message feel more professional. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the email editor in Mailchimp for the campaign where you want to change the fonts. Make sure you open the correct email because the font changes you make here will apply to that specific design. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the left side panel. This is where Mailchimp keeps the design and style settings for your email. Now click on Styles. This opens the global styling options for your email template, which is exactly where you'll find the font settings. From here, click on Text. This section controls how the text in your email looks, including the font family size and other formatting options. Next, look for the Font drop-down menu. Click on it to see the available font choices. Mailchimp will usually show you a list of common fonts that are easy to use across email clients. Choose the font you want from the list. This might be something clean and modern, something more formal, or something that better matches your brand identity. As soon as you select a font, Mailchimp will automatically update the full email to reflect that choice. You do not need to manually edit every section, one by one. The change happens across the template, which makes this process fast and simple. Take a moment to review the email and make sure the new font looks good in your headings, body text, and any other text blocks you've included. If the font looks too large, too small, or not quite right with your layout, you can always go back into the Style section and adjust it again. That flexibility is one of the reasons Mailchimp is so useful for email marketing. You can keep testing the design until it feels polished and on brand. Once you're happy with the font change, the last step is to click Save and Exit. This saves your update and takes you back out of the editor safely. Always make sure you save before leaving, so none of your changes are lost. And that's it. You've now learned how to change fonts in Mailchimp emails in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.